This tutorial will show you how to create your site boundary for the National Education Nature Park. First, log into your account on the National Education Nature Park website and you will arrive at your dashboard. If you haven't already started your Create Your Site Boundary activity, under the title Your Dashboard, there will be a large button saying Create Your Site Boundary, Begin Activity, and you can click on the Begin Activity button. If you've already clicked this button before, or you've already started the activity before, you will need to scroll down to the bottom of your dashboard and find the Create Your Site Boundary thumbnail and click here. This will bring you to the activity page that gives you an overview of what's required in the activity, some preparation information, and some step-by-step guidance. You'll also find either the Begin Activity or Launch Activity button here. When you click on these buttons, they will take you automatically to the Site Boundary Creator tool online, and you'll be presented with this pop-up. This reminds you that you need your unique reference number for your educational setting in order to complete the activity. If you don't know this number, as a school or college, you can search for it here, and as a nursery, you can search for it here. Once you have your URN, click OK, and you'll come to the map. In order to find your setting on the map, the quickest thing to do is to put your postcode into the Find Address or Place box. You'll be presented with a series of addresses and you click on the correct address, which will zoom you into that location on the map. You can then click and drag the map in order to get your setting directly in the middle. And you can use the buttons on the left-hand side to zoom in and to zoom out to suit your needs. When you're ready to draw your shape, click Education Site Boundary on the right-hand side. And now your cursor will appear as an orange dot on the map. Every time you click on this dot, a white dot will be placed on the map. And as you add more dots, they will automatically be joined together by a black and white stripy line. If you make a mistake, don't worry, keep going with your shape until you get to the end. When you've got to the end of your shape, click your final dot twice and the shape will appear blue. Now, in order to make edits to the shape, click it again and you're presented with orange and white dots. The orange dots can be clicked and dragged in order to change the shape, and the white dots can be clicked to add more orange dots in order to create a more complicated shape if needed. If you end up with too many dots, click on one that you would like to remove and press the Delete key on your keyboard, or you can press the Backspace key on your keyboard. Be careful not to click outside of the blue box whilst doing these edits, as this will deselect your polygon and you'll need to delete it completely and start again. When you're happy, click again so that it's secured by this orange box all the way around the outside. And now you can add your URN details on the right-hand side. If you're a primary school, secondary school, college or pupil referral unit, please enter your URN exactly as it's been given to you by the government. But if you're a nursery or early year setting, please put an N in front of your URN, and this will help you locate the right information for your setting. Here, for example, we've now got the name, postcode and phase of education of the setting, and they're correct for this location. So now I want to confirm that the shape of the boundary and the establishment information is correct. And so here under boundary correct, I can click yes. However, you may have a situation where you want to check some of the details, some of the shape of your boundary, but you want to save what you've done so far. In this circumstance, click no and click create. In this situation, your boundary will become a thick orange line. And this is saved, but is indicated as not complete, both for your own information, but so that we know where you're at in the process too. When you're ready to change this to correct, you come to the Select button under Edit Features, click inside the shape. And now you'll get your URN and establishment information presented to you again on the right-hand side. And you can click boundary correct, yes, update. And now the line will turn green. This is now automatically saved to the Nature Park national map, and you will be able to go back to your dashboard and click the Mark Complete button here to track your progress.